Okay, the next example is if a 6-pole induction motor supplied from a 3-phase 50 Hz supply has a rotor frequency of 2.3 Hz, calculate the percentage slip and the speed of the motor. So the given data is 6-pole, P is equal to 6, 350 Hz supply side is always you can take F is equal to 50 Hz. Rotor frequency means this is the frequency of rotor, so you should take FR, that is 2.3 Hz. So to remember, so frequency F is always greater than the frequency of rotor. Okay, calculate the percentage slip. So S you have to calculate, and speed of the motor N you have to calculate. So first I will calculate the NS is equal to, so 120 F by P. So 120 into F is 50 Hz, P is equal to 6. So you will get 1000 RPM, that is the synchronous speed. And the percentage slip can be calculated with two formula. S is equal to Ns minus N by Ns, that is the one equation. Or whenever the frequency of rotor is given and the frequency of supply is given, then you can go for the FR is equal to SF whenever this data is given. Okay, now you can easily calculate from this equation. S is equal to FR by F. FR means 2.3 Hz divided by F means supply frequency 50 Hz. So you will get 0.046, or you can write it in percentage, 4.6 percentage. Okay, the second one is speed of the motor, that is N is equal to Ns into bracket 1 minus S. Ns is equal to 1000 RPM. 1 minus S means 0.046. So you will get N is equal to 954 RPM. Okay, the next problem is, this is very important, a 3-phase 6-pole 50 Hz induction motor has a slip of 1% at no load and 3% at full load. Determine synchronous speed, no load speed, full load speed, frequency of rotor current at standstill, frequency of rotor current at full load. So there are two slips are given. Slip at no load 1%, slip at full load 3%. So the given data is P is equal to 6, number of poles is 6 pole, frequency is given 50 Hz, F is equal to 50 Hz, and slip is equal to 1% at no load. So no load means the load is 0, so I will take S0, 1%, and 3% means this is the full load, so I will write SF for your understanding. SF means full load slip, S0 means no load slip. No load means 0, load is not there, so 0. Full load means F, so this is 3%. Okay, the first question is synchronous speed. So the formula for synchronous speed is Ns is equal to 120 F by P. So 120 into 50 Hz by P is equal to 6. So you will get again 1000 RPM. The second bit is no load speed, speed at no load condition. So the formula for calculating the no load is, speed is N is equal to Ns into bracket 1 minus S. But remember here S is, two slips are given, S0 and SF, no load slip and full load slip. So you are calculating the no load speed. No load means 0, load is 0, so I will take N0. So obviously slip is also should be at no load. So ns is equal to 1000 rpm. 1 minus slip at no load means 1% means 0.01. So you will get 990 rpm. And next bit is full load speed. Speed at full load condition. When the load is full load, then you have to calculate the speed. Same equation, but here I written slip at full load, okay, because of full load speed. So ns is 1000, 1 minus sf means 3%, that is 0.03. So you will get 970 rpm. The next bit is frequency of rotor current at standstill. Standstill means when the motor is not running. Okay, initial condition, motor is not running, that is standstill. So the motion is not there, the shaft is not rotating. At this condition, what is the frequency of rotor? So remember students, the frequency of rotor is same as the frequency of supply frequency or stator frequency at standstill condition. So fr is equal to f, so obviously is same, that is 50 Hertz, because f is given 50 Hertz. Both are same at standstill condition. Next bit is frequency of rotor current at full load condition. Full load means when the motor is running at full load condition. So in that condition, the fr is equal to, it is sf, but the formula is sf, but s means we have two slips, s0 sf. S0 means no load slip, full load slip. So we are taking full load, so obviously s is also at full load slip. So 3% means 0.03 into f means 50 Hertz. So you will get 1.5 Hertz. Here you can say that when the frequency of rotor current at full load condition is 1.5 Hertz, and at standstill condition it is same as the supply frequency, that is 50 Hertz.